Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tanvirul Hassan. My ID is 171159211. Welcome to my demonstration video, and my two group members are missing in this video. One is Karimuddin Rani and another is Waliur Rahman Naik. My final year project is emergency gas and fire detection using quadcopter. Now I am showing my demonstration video. So this is our final year project, quadcopter based fire and gas detection. So this is the quadcopter part. This is propeller and this is a brushless motor. There are 4 brushless motor in here, and this is ESC. We tie up there, and this is battery we given in the gravity of the center point, and that is the KK flight controller. And this is the sensor part. This is gas sensor, this is flame sensor, this is dust sensor, and this is GSM module, and this is Arduino Mega. And now we are detecting gas from this gas sensor. We see that this is the power of this. Now we spray some gas. Here is detection the message, and comes the message the gas detection, no fire detection, and then the density is 0.10. Then we we try to cover this fire detection. This is the flame. When we give to this flame sensor in front the flame sensor, the light will beep. That's mean the flame is detection and the fire is detection, and this message will be gone directly to the mobile. This is the message comes to the mobile. The no gas detection, fire detection, and dust density is 0.3. Now we testing the dust density. So we give up some dust in there. This is some dust in there, so it will detect the SMS. Here we see there is no gas detection, no fire detection, only dust density is 0.50. It's continuously detection. So this is our project, and this is the flight controller, fly sky for the controller. We want it it is for the flying. Now we're going to test the flight drone fly.